Last time on that one really bad reality show in Fiji's own Vatican City and all, not much.
I think I've run out of things to complain about. Hey, I'm cured from the emo.
Dawn, and I don't have the little black box.
I have a heart.
What are you still doing with that?
No, never mind. The emo's back.
If you put it with a tart, a few carrots, add it all to a broth, you've got a stew, baby.
At the other camp?
I'd only be half right. I look like I'm dead and just like a homo. I must be emo.
What is that song doing here? Yeah!
No, it's homeless since the Pope isn't emo anymore. Well, it looks like the Pope we know and love is back.
Isn't inviting the emo song to lunch like cheating? Yeah!
So dances even more sexy when cheating.
Let's get on with this immunity challenge!
Let's get a stew on, you mean?
Hi, it's Jessica here to impose the immunity challenge. All you have to do is win at a tug of war.
We can't have a tug of war. It sounds too mean.
Fine. What would you call it?
The hug of peace.
Come on, that's just silly. Yeah!
Well, how are you going to stop it?
I'll create the meme. Yeah!
I think I'm cute. I know I'm sexy. I've got the looks. That didn't seem mean at all.
I guess that means Boom Chalamalakala wins again.